Welcome to this video. I will be showing you how these coins disappear from your wallet without you even giving permission. Guys, this is Amos and this is Online Money Minds, and do stick to the end of the video because this is a very important video. Most times your coins gets missing, in your wallet, and you don't actually know how it happened, what led to it, and in this video I'm also going to show you how you can prevent that as well. So stick to the end of the video because at the end of this video I will show you what to do to solve this once and for all, and also how these activities happen in your wallet without you even being aware. Guys, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also please guys check our crypto course, Crypto Health 1.2. It is very packed with a lot of information that will help you skyrocket your portfolio, okay, in the crypto space. There are a lot of secrets out there that you don't know about, and this is basically what I revealed in this course. A lot of students are testifying because they never knew things like that as okay, choose website platforms and trading strategies that I use and patterns with video explanations. Okay, make sure to check it out. Okay, now let's get back to the video of today. Well, first of all, what we have to do is have to go to Spoolcoin. Okay, this is Spoolcoin right here, spoolcoin.com. Now this is where you come basically to, like if you come to this website, you just go to your wallets. If you want to access this mobile device, so you need to just go to your data browser or type in spoolcoin.app. Once you type in spoolcoin.app, it's going to ask you how to connect your wallet. So once you connect your wallet, you will be able to see series of coins. Okay, these are coins that's currently in this wallet I'm going to be using for this tutorial. Okay, now you have to pay attention to something. Sometimes you see random coins in your wallet, you don't know where they came from, how they get there. You'll be thinking like, okay, I didn't buy any coin from any website, how did this coin get there? And the funny thing is, if you notice, like these coins right here, they are all fake coins, okay, and they normally give you values of $1,000, $2,000. Some will even give you value of $10,000. okay, you'll be like, yeah, I'm super rich. Man, you are not rich, you're about to get scammed. Okay, so pay attention. Now what happens is this: these coins are what we call phishing coins, or fish tokens, or spam tokens, okay, or scam coins, as you may call it. So what they normally do is that they send these coins to you, and some of them do attach their web addresses, okay, on this token, because basically out of curiosity, once you see these coins in your wallet, you want to visit those websites to see if how to sell those coins. Okay, now that is one other way they get you. You visit those sites and you see something like, okay, swap the token for BNB, or you see something like deposit BNB to activate that token, or activate withdrawal, blah blah stuff like that, and this is basically how most people get scammed. Then when you try to do that transaction, you see that basically the transaction will go through, the BNB will go from your wallet, then the coin will bounce to your wallet, but with zero value. That simply means you've given out your BNB for free. So that is one way they scam you with this token. Then another way is that what they do, which is why you are watching this video right now, is how do your coins disappear from your wallet. Now this is basically what happens. If they send this coin to you, most of them, what they do is that once you have this coin, definitely you want to sell. Okay, even if you go to the transaction history, you see some sell orders that have been placed, but mind you, those are fake. They are generated by the owners of those coins, the scammers, to make you feel that people are actually buying and selling, but nobody is actually selling that token. So now if you try to sell that token, you're going to get an error message, telling you, okay, maybe your BNB is not enough. Meanwhile, you have enough BNB for fee. Okay, maybe you see just some funny errors, and you'll be like, okay, well, that's it, I don't want to sell anymore. Maybe it's just a scam token. But this is where it gets very interesting. Each time you execute those transactions and it shows you that shows you those errors, the transaction does not go through, you have signed a contract. Yeah, that is how you sign the contract, because they kind of inject a contract, and once you try to sell, you sign a contract that gives a particular wallet address that belongs to those scammer. You give them the permission to spend your token without your permission. Okay, this is very possible because as long as it's an online wallet, decentralized wallet, it is very possible. But if you are using something like a physical wallet like Ledger and the rest of them, it will still need you to sign that transaction before it can go through. But if you already try to sell an airdrop that you did not claim or you did not buy, okay, and you do those errors, just know that you've actually signed a contract and you have to do something very, very fast, because you've given them the full access to take coins from your wallet without your permission. So in this video, I'll show you the solution. So basically, this happens a lot of time because many people are ignorant, especially those who are new to the crypto space. They believe that, oh, once I just go to my wallet and I see this token, oh, I've made a lot of money. That is not actually true. There is no free money the way you expect it. Okay, you have to buy to get, or you have to go through the normal process whereby you get confirmed airdrops. Okay, confirmed airdrops from confirmed programs. All right. So now, if you want to know if you have this type of tokens in your wallet, if you go to BSC scan, for example, all right, if you paste in your wallet address right here, you are going to see numerous amounts of tokens, okay, which on a normal day you did not buy, you did not get them. So once you see those tokens, then if you now go to poolcoin.app, then you now see this token, with funny amounts. As you can see, this one is $977. This coin is fake, this one is fake, this one is fake, this one is fake, and it goes on and on and on. So don't start talking to your landlord anyhow because you feel you are rich. You are not rich, you're about to get scammed. So the question now is, what do you do to prevent this? Or what do you do? Because if you're watching this video right now, there's a very high possibility that you've actually fell into this trap whereby you try to sell airdrops that you did not get. So what do you do for you to remove your address, or remove those addresses, remove those approval? Because by doing that, you've already signed that they can spend your token without your permission. Okay, so what do you do? What you do is very simple. Now, what you have to do is, on your wallet, you just have to go to this website right here. It's called allowance.beefy.finance. Okay, this basically work for Binance matching, the network wallets. All right, and also most of this can happen most times on the Binance matching. So this is actually a perfect solution for you. So what you have to do right here is, once you go to those sites, okay, if you're not connecting your wallet, you might not see this particular figure right here. Okay, you will not see this figure right here, but once you connect your wallet, you are going to see an address. I purposely had to use this account to try to sell one of those airdrops so that you actually have an idea of what I'm talking about. Now, once you come to this website, you will see something here. It says BSC allowance. Find and revoke all the addresses that can spend your tokens, okay, without your permission. Now, another thing you have to watch out for you to find out that is actually without your permission is when you see unlimited, meaning they can spend up and down without you confirming, without you even noticing it. Okay, now right here, as you can see, this is a token that's this address right here. Okay, this address right here can spend this token without my permission. Meanwhile, this is not my address. This address belongs to one of those scammers that have those scam airdrops. So what do I do to revoke it? So all I need to do is, once I come to this website, I just simply click on revoke. Now mind you, sometimes you might have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, depending on how vulnerable that wallet is. Then if you want to do those ones, all you need to is for you to click on revoke all, and it will revoke all of them. Sometimes it will revoke some and leave some, then you have to revoke them one after the other. But if it's just one like this, all you need to do is to click on revoke. Then it's going to charge you a little amount of BNB, which is just 0.06, as you can see right here. So that once you revoke this address right here, okay, this address right here, we no longer have access to spend your wallet. Now let me show you something for you to confirm that this address has actually been stealing people's money without them knowing. Now if you click on this, if you open this address on another tab, let me show you something right now. You will see that this is basically a contract address, and if you take a look at this place right here, you will see that these are the transactions that is happening every single moment. Okay, so this address is busy stealing people's B. As you can see, this one this is a victim. This one right here is a victim, and it goes on. So let me go and revoke it before I get to my turn. All right, so what we have to do right here is to click on revoke, then it will charge us $0.06, then click on confirm. Then once it's confirmed, you click on confirm. Then once it's confirmed, okay, so once it's confirmed right here, you refresh this page. Okay, remember I told you once you come to this page, the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet. So if your wallet is not connected, you might not see that figure. So once you collect it, it will show you the addresses that can spend your token without your permission. So as you can see right now, there is no address that can spend any token in this wallet. So this is how you now know that your address is free from those scammers. So guys, after watching this video, first thing you need to do to secure your wallet, go right now to allowance.bfi.finance. Very safe. It's been saving a lot of lives, it's saving a lot of people's money. And check if your wallet is vulnerable. If it is vulnerable, or you have anything right there that has access to spend your cash without your permission, guys, revoke it as soon as possible. Like I showed you, these guys are busy scamming people without them even being aware that they have been scammed. Okay, what you do is that once they just open the wallet, they don't see their funds anymore, they don't know how it happened. So guys, now you know how they scam you. So guys, if you love this video, if you love what we do right here, please guys, subscribe. Let's take this YouTube channel to 2,000 subscribers. We can do that before the end of next month, and it's very possible. Okay, love you guys, and do have a lovely day ahead. Bye.